Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma Dev Mode versus Zeplin. We'll explore how each platform streamlines the design-to-development handoff process. Figma Dev Mode offers a unified environment, keeping everything within one application, while Zeplin provides a specialized, robust solution for collaboration. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which tool best fits your team's specific needs and existing workflows, ensuring a smoother transition from design to code. Figma Dev Mode offers several key advantages, primarily its seamless integration. Developers can access design specifications, assets, and even generated code snippets, like CSS, iOS, or Android, without leaving the Figma environment. This reduces context switching and enhances efficiency. It also allows for easy inspection of component properties and variants, ensuring developers have all the necessary information at their fingertips for accurate implementation, fostering a more unified workflow. Zeplin shines as a dedicated handoff and collaboration platform. It provides comprehensive organization for design systems, including detailed style guides, component libraries, and robust version control. Zeplin's strength lies in its ability to centralize design documentation, making it easy for developers to find exactly what they need. It also integrates with multiple design tools, offering flexibility for teams using diverse software and ensuring a consistent handoff experience across different projects. Choosing between Figma Dev Mode and Zeplin depends on your team's specific context. If your team is fully invested in Figma, Dev Mode offers unparalleled integration and efficiency. However, if you require a dedicated platform for comprehensive design system documentation, robust version control, or work with multiple design tools, Zeplin might be the superior choice. Evaluate your current workflow, team size, and the complexity of your design system to make the most informed decision for a smoother design-to-development process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.